So this is the analysis for Euro Pound for Friday the 22nd of September. Now, yesterday I did say I was expecting a price, considering the fact that we were selling off downwards, to go and test the 87.83 level. Now, one of another charting software, I did actually see price go down to the 87.83 to the exact pip. Now let's see where I am with trading views charts and their data feed from FXCM. Let's see where we went. We went all the way down to 87.83 as predicted, and from there we've had a bounce. Currently a 14 pip bounce from that level. So okay, we didn't go, so we went to 87.83.5, but it's close enough to 87.83 for me. And we've had a little bit of a bounce as we did come down and test that level at 6 p.m. today. The European session would have closed by then, and that's around lunchtime in the US. So market participants, in terms of being the market, you could pretty much can see there's a fall off in volume, not much buyers and such, not much buyers and sellers in the market. So I did mention the level. Price did move in the direction I predicted, but that's the past now. Let's go see where we are. Let's go have a look at the monthly. On the monthly time frame, let's just have a look. We are currently trading near the low of this monthly candle, which is bearish. Now, it did open up at, I think it's 92, was it? Yes, 92.09. And we have sold off quite a bit from there. So we're trading below the monthly open, which is a bearish signal. And the bearish, it's so far away that it's difficult to even take into account 92 being a level. There would have to be a dramatic change for a price to get back up to there within the next day or so, which I very much doubt it will. So let's just have a look on the weekly. Weekly being the most important. Now we've seen that massive sell-off last week from the opened at 91.07. We're currently trading at 87.98, so let's just imagine it's 88. So we're currently about 300 pips off. Currently about 300 pips off last week's open. So let's just have a look at this week, and obviously my most important pivot. This week opened at 87.84. And I did mark on 87.83, so we can see in price, we could say, bounce off the week's open being the pivot. As long as we trade above the 87.84 level, I would maintain a long bias, as that would be in line with the trend on the monthly time frame, which was clearly to the upside. I suppose others may argue that we have encountered horizontal resistance in around the 92 level, and we're likely to encounter some more around 94. If I go down to the daily chart, Euro Pound, I want to go to October last year. Let's see where we are. Oh, let's just get this right. I've gone a little bit too far. A little bit too far. Got a bit excited there. Let's just see where we are on the daily chart. Now, October last year, we did have a bit of a flash crash in the pound. Bit of a little flash crash in the pound. And that's where price opened at 88.33 and went as high as 92.25. So 92.25, that's 92.25. That's the flash crash high in euro pound, 92.25. And this month, well, look at the previous month actually, because the price did go higher before selling off this month, and it went as high as not quite there. Let's just zoom in a bit. Let's just get this right. So let's see where we went. So 92.25, and let's see. We did go as high as, this was in August, 93.06. So we did break above where the price crashed, which was over here on that candle. So we did break it slightly, but due to the fact that we're even trading below the previous month's low, yep, we are bearish. If we were basing it on in relation to the month's open, but the overall trend is to the upside, and my most important pivot, being the weekly, is currently not bearish yet. Although, if we do trade, I did mention level 87.84. If we do trade below it, I am looking to go short. Interesting. If we do trade below it, I would be looking to go short with no hesitation. So let's just see. Let's have a look at the daily chart. So the daily chart at the moment, we've come up, and rather than it being a reversal or a V-shaped reversal to the upside, to test that 90.24 level, we've had a bearish day, second bearish day yesterday. So today we are currently trading at 87.97, but there does appear to be an air of bearishness about this particular pair, but I will stick with the plan, and the plan is to above 87.84 to maintain a long bias. So I am currently long biased euro pound based on the weekly open. This this position is contradicted by the monthly open, where we are bearish, and the previous couple of days where we have had a bit of retracement, but we've had some bearish selling in the euro against the pound. So yeah, you could say I am cautiously bullish. Cautiously bullish, as long as we stay above 87.84. And before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.